If you want to know which videos on this channel was the most challenging to make, the most fun to make, and the one most people watched over the past 12 months, then stay tuned. Hi, my name is Dr Tasha and I'm a breast surgeon here to help you navigate the world of health in general and breast health specifically. I have been uploading a video every week for the past year, and at this time of year it's always good to look back and reflect. I did this last year and I thought it was such a fun thing to do. So let's do it again this year and see what videos are deserving of the Oscars this year. The first award goes to the video I found the most challenging to make. And it was the video all about how I manage my own stress. And I will leave the link in the description. Being a surgeon is not always easy. What you do is high stakes and inevitably it can become quite stressful. For this video, I thought I would do a vlog style of video. If you've been following this channel for any length of time, and if you have, thank you so much. You know that most of my videos are talking head style videos like this one. But this particular video that I was making was a little bit different. I took the camera out and I vlogged. And yeah, I found it a little bit challenging to do. I had to talk to the camera whilst being surrounded by strangers, and it's not the easiest thing to do. Well, I don't find it particularly easy. And I don't really know why I still find vlogging a challenge. Well, actually, I think I do know why. And it's called the spotlight effect. So the spotlight effect is essentially a phenomenon where people tend to overestimate how much others are paying attention to one's appearance or behavior. So I believe that when I'm talking to the camera in public, that people will pay more attention to me and judge me in a certain way. So I get embarrassed about it, feel self-conscious about it, and find the whole situation rather uncomfortable. I found it difficult a year ago, and I still find it a little bit challenging now, although it is getting a little bit better, just a little. If you want me to do more vlog style videos, and so by doing that I will totally come out of my comfort zone even more, let me know in the comment section and I'll see what I can do. For the most fun video, the award goes to the video that I did documenting my visit to YouTube headquarters in London. And if you haven't checked that one out, please do. It was such a fun video, and I will leave again the link in the description. That day was such a fun day. It was a gorgeous summer's day, and yeah, it was such an experience. Because I was lucky enough to be invited by YouTube to attend the launch of YouTube's health features. More and more people are going to YouTube in search for answers to their health questions. So, if you find something, you feel something, you're worried about something, you'll probably go to YouTube to find the answers. The problem is, it can be quite challenging to know what information you can believe and what you should definitely ignore. Misinformation is on the rise, and without intervention, no doubt it will only get worse. And YouTube would like health content creators to widely distribute their content on their platform. But you also need to make sure that the information provided is reliable and accurate. So the initiative aims to engage healthcare professionals to create valuable health content for the platform, but at the same time, YouTube will provide support and guidance when needed. YouTube is also encouraging healthcare creators to apply and be verified as a credible healthcare professional. If you become verified, you get awarded a banner on your channel stating that you are verified as a certified medical professional, like this channel. By doing this, YouTube will hopefully help those consuming content, the public, yourselves, to know that the information provided on certain channels are accurate. So YouTube headquarters in London is in the same building as Google's headquarters in London. And yeah, I visited it, I documented the day, and I really enjoyed that day. I was able to mingle with other content creators who are doing amazing stuff on the platform, and at the same time, learning more about what YouTube expects in terms of standard as well as content. Now, the most popular video this year was a video demonstrating how I do a breast examination. And honestly, this wasn't a surprise. Many people don't know how to do a breast examination the correct way. People worry about, that they're not doing it right, they might miss something, and many people come up to me and say, I don't know what to do. I'm worried I'm not doing it right, I don't know where to start, I don't know what I'm feeling for, and that's the reason why I made this video. So broadly speaking, a breast examination involves two parts. It's the looking part or the inspection part, and feeling part or the palpation part. And in this video, I basically guide you step by step as to what you need to do, what to look out for, and the best technique to use. So if you want to do a self-breast exam, but you're not really sure how to do it, then definitely check this video out. Again, I will leave the link in the description. And once you've watched that video, you will certainly know how to do it the correct way and not worry that you're going to miss something. So thank you so much for staying with me for the past 12 months. I hope you have enjoyed all the content on this platform. And if you have any topics you want me to cover, do leave those in the comment section. And thank you again for your support. I'll see you next year.